Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some new glitches to go over as well. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. So as always, I'm going to show you exactly which coupons I'm clipping to my account. We're going to go over the good coupon matchups. We've got some glitches as well. So first up, we have the 5 off 25. Of course, you want to clip that one to your account. Next, we received a 5 off 30 Gain scented purchase. So that's not as good as the 5 off 20, but we are stuck with this Gain coupon, the DG store coupon, until the end of September. So go ahead and clip that one. Next up, we received some new Colgate coupons, and these are really good coupons. Just be aware, if you have that 2 off 1 digital coupon on your account, you may want to just be really careful in the order that you ring things up or the order that you buy products. So for instance, I still have the 2 off 1 on my account, so I know this week if I go in and do any little daily deals, I can just pick up 1 Colgate product. But if I were to go and pick up 2 Colgate products, expecting this 3 off 2 coupon to come off, that 2 off 1 will probably be applied first. Hopefully that didn't confuse you guys too much. I am working on doing a beginner's guide to Dollar General couponing, so I'm working on it. But anyways, we do have this 3 off 2 Colgate coupon. If you want to pick up the Colgate Max Fresh, those are 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2 for 2, making those $1 each. Next up, we have the 6 off 2, and this is on the Colgate multi-packs. These start out at $4, so for a 3-pack of toothpaste, for $4, pick up 2 of those. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2 for 2 of those multi-packs. So you get 6 tubes of toothpaste for $2. Really great deal. Alright, moving on down, we have Act and Edge or Skintimate Shave Gel. Here is a 4 off 1 for the children's Zyrtec products, so that's a pretty high value coupon. Those are priced at $11, so after the coupon you'll pay $7. Here's another high value coupon on some children's Advil, 3 off 1. So if you want to pick up the infant drops, those are $4.50, so after the coupon you'll pay $1.50. Next up, we have the Rexall or Rexall Naturalist Melatonin Vitamins. So these are $2.50 after the coupon. That'll leave you paying $1.50. Those start out at $2.50. And of course there are some more expensive ones that you can choose from. Alright, next up, here is our first glitch. We received a new 50-cent off 1 Lysol product. It does exclude the trial and travel sizes, so that's what makes it a glitch. So this is working on the Lysol products that are found in the dollar aisle. So if you want to pick up the wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, or the multi-surface cleaner, those are all $1. After the coupon, you'll pay just 50 cents. Great filler item. Now, there are some other Lysol products that are full-sized. So, for instance, I know the toilet bowl cleaners are $2. I think there's also some sprays, some antibacterial sprays. Those are $2. So, after the coupon, you'll just pay $1.50. So, really good deals. Alright, we've got some mobile oil. Coca-Cola, 1 off 3 for the 6-pack. So these are on sale this week. 3 for, I lost my place here, hang on. 3 for $10. So after the coupon, you will pay $9 for 3. That's a really great deal. Usually Coca-Cola and Sprite products are more expensive when it comes to buying pops. So, alright, 1 off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels. Those are $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4. And that's on a 6 count. Here is a really good DG store coupon. We have save $2 when you spend $10 on Banquet, Bird's Eye, Hungry Man, or Marie Callender's frozen food products. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. Alright, Angelsoft. So here's one you need to kind of pay attention to. Check to see what you have on your accounts. We do have a higher value Angelsoft coupon of 1 off 1. And that does not expire until September the 25th. So it just depends on what you want to do. Now, this one, let's see. we've got this one. This coupon does work on the 12 count Angelsoft. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you'll pay $4.75. I'm going to pass on that one, and we'll talk about this one right down here. 25 cents off of one for the Angelsoft bath tissue unscented items. So this is a glitch. This coupon is working on the $1 Angelsoft bath tissue that's found in the dollar aisle, lavender scented. So it is working on some other ones as well. So if you can find any of the Angelsoft bath tissue in the dollar aisle, scan it and see if this coupon attaches. So if you pick up one for $1, use this coupon, you'll pay just 75 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that one. But then again, keep in mind we do have that higher value 1-off-1 coupon. Alright, so we have a 1-off 2 Bic stationery products. This coupon is glitching and it's working with those $1 pens. So pick up 2 of those for $2. Use this coupon and you'll pay $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. And then of course we have Bic products that are priced at $1.50 with highlighters, other pens, big assortment to choose from. So if you pick up 2 that's priced at $1.50, that's going to put you at $3. After the coupon, you'll pay $2 for 2. So definitely go ahead and clip that one to your account. And just as an FYI, if you haven't used that 1-off-1 Bic stationery coupon from last week that makes those $1 pens 1 penny, that one does expire today. So if you're running out to pick up your newspapers or whatever it may be, if you still have that coupon, swing by DG and pick you up some free pens. All right, moving on. We've got some extra $1.50 off 1 Airwick. These products are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. We have a 2-off-1 for the Eucerin lotions. Now, this one you may want to look out for too. We have a higher value 3-off-1 digital coupon if that one hasn't expired already. So double check your accounts before you clip this one. But this 2-off-1 does work on the lotion. It's priced at $4.05. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.05. All right, we have 1-off-1 for the True Living trash bags. There's a big variety to choose from. Those are priced at $9, so after the coupon you'll pay $8. And as a general rule, I always just go ahead and clip all of my DG store coupons. Next up, $1.50 off 1 Excedrin. So if you pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.75. Here's another Angelsoft coupon. Again, those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. But if you still have that 1-off-1 on your account, I would leave this one alone. 4-off-1 for the adult Zyrtec. Those are priced at $19, so after the coupon, you'll pay $15. $1.50 off 1 Finish. This is attaching to the products that are priced at $6.50. There's different ones that you can choose from, different counts and all that good stuff. So after the coupon, you'll pay just $5. All right, next up, we have 1-off-1 for the True Living paper towels or the bath tissue. I didn't see that it was attaching to the bath tissue, but on the paper towels, you can pick up the 9-count mega rolls. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you'll pay just $5. Next up, we have Airwick, $1.50 off 1 for the scented oil warmer. So this is our freebie for the week. Great filler item for Saturday. So these are priced at $1.50. After the coupon, be completely free. We also received insert coupons in last Sunday's inserts for a free Airwick warmer as well. So these are normally $1.65. I think they're on sale this week for $1.50. So go ahead and take advantage of that deal. Then we have 1-off-2 for the Gain dish soaps. So those are priced at $2 each. If you pick up 2 of those, it's going to put you at $4. After the coupon, you'll pay $3 for 2. And don't forget, we do have that 5-off-30 Gain coupon. Alright, so next up we have 3-off-2 for the Febreze Air products. This is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So you'll pay $3 for 2. We have 3-off-1 for the Gillette razors. So if you can find the Gillette Mach 3 razor, this is priced at $6.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.25. Really great deal. And we have a P&G Spend promotion this week. So I think it's Spend 15, Get Back 5. We're going to come up with some deals and go over that with the good deals and glitch list video. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we have 1-off-1 for the Vix Vapo products. So here is our next glitch. This does work on the Vix Cough Drops that are found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, that'll make it completely free. Now, if you can't find the ones in the dollar aisle, you can check in the regular section where all the other cough drops are. The Vicks VapoCool cough drops start out at $2, so after the coupon, you'll pay just $1. So great coupon. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. These are priced at $6.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.95. Then we have 1 off 1 for the Crest Scope. So if you can find the Crest with Scope mouthwash, the smaller bottles, they're priced at $3. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Secret. Now this coupon does include a lot of products, but it's only attaching to the Secret Clinical deodorants and the Olay body wash. So the Secret Clinical deodorants start out at $5.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.95. Then we have some that are priced at $7.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5.95. If you want to pick up the Olay body washes, those are priced at $8. So after the coupon, you'll pay $6. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Always Discreet products. This is working on the 26 count liners. They're priced at $3, so after the coupon, you'll pay $1. 1 off 1 for the Head & Shoulders. We have a higher value coupon, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Downy products. So these are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $7.95. 2 off 1 for the Cascade. This is a high value coupon for Cascade. Usually it's only 50 cents or so. So these are priced at $10. After the coupon, you'll pay $8. Here's our higher value Head & Shoulders coupon for 3 off 2. This coupon used to glitch all the time, but here lately it's not been glitching. So this does work on the Head & Shoulders that are priced at $4. I'll have visuals in the next video, but pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon. You'll pay $5 for 2. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Gain liquid detergent, the Flings 51 count, or the larger bottles of Fireworks. Those are all $13.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $10.50. Alright, so we've got Pampers, Pampers wipes, Pantene hair care. We have 3 off 3. Not a really great deal. These are priced at $5 each, so if you pick up 3 of those, that's going to put you at $15. After the coupon, you'll pay $12 for 3. I'm going to go ahead and clip it, and we'll see what happens. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Tide Pods, or the liquid. These are priced at $17.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $14.95. We have 3 off 1 for the Crest Gum Detoxify. Those are $7, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4. There's our lower value 1 off 1 for the Pantene products. I'm going to pass on that one. We have 2 off 1 for the Tide products. This is for the pods, the liquid. This coupon also includes the Gain products. All of those are priced at $4.95, so after the coupon, you will pay $2.95. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Dawn dish liquid. So this one I am excited to use. This one works on the Dawn dish soap that's priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Or you can also pick up the larger bottles that are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Tampax. These start out at $4, so after the coupon, you'll pay $3. We have Always pads. So these start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. We also have Always liners. So these start out at $3.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.25. Safeguard hand soap. I'm going to pass on clipping these. Sometimes we do get higher value coupons later on in the month. Most of the time it's a buy one get one free. So I'm going to pass on clipping these. But if you want to go ahead and clip it to your account, these are priced at $3 each. So pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon and that will leave you paying $5 for 2. Alright, next up we have 2 off 1 for the Fix-It-In adhesive. This is priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Bounty paper towels. Now, this does have to be $15 retail value or higher. So, these start out at $17.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $15.95. And we have 3 off 2 for the Herbal Essences. And we did have a glitch going on with that one for a little bit, but that's no longer glitching. And there's the other Safeguard coupon. Again, I'm going to leave that one alone. We have 1 off 1 for the Fix-It-In adhesive. Now, the 2 off 1 and the 1 off 1, they are attaching to different products. So it's okay to go ahead and clip both of those if you want to. This is working on the 1.4 ounce. They're priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2.75. Alright, we have Love's 3 off 1 for the Love's box of diapers. These are $15, so after the coupon, you'll pay $12. 1 off 1 for the Downy or Bounce products. So these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Downy Citrus and Vanilla fabric softener. So those are $2.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $1.95. Alright, I think we are almost done here. I've got one more page. Alright, so we have the Fixident cleansers, 60 count or more. These are priced at $3. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. We have 2 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. If you can find the Crest 4.6 ounce, it's not in a tube. It's kind of in one of those containers that stand up on their own. Those are priced at $2.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay 50 cents. And then there's also a big variety that you can choose from that are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you'll pay just $1. Alright, next up, 2 off 1 for the Charmin toilet paper. Again, this has to be $15 retail value or greater. So these start out at $16.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $14.95. Alright, here's a 1 off 2 for the Secret and Old Spice deodorants. This one isn't a really great coupon, so I'm going to pass on that one. Here we have Vicks Vapo Cough Relief for the children's products. So these start out at $8.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $6.50. This coupon also works on the baby rub. So that those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. Then we also have 2 off 1 for the Dayquil or NyQuil products. Those start out at $7.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Then we have Microban. So these are some really good coupons. Really good product. So the Microban aerosol spray, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.25. Then we have the multi-purpose cleaner. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. I went through a lot more of these coupons than I planned on it, but that's okay. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Olay facial cleanser. So the wipes are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. And then there's also some Olay facial cleanser that is priced at $5.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.25. Alright, next up we have 1 off 1 for the Febreze Car Clips. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon you'll pay $2. Then we have 1 off 1 for the Welch's 64-ounce juices. Now there's a big variety that you can choose from that are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon that'll make it $1.50. We also have a new, looks like a new fall flavor. It's called Harvest Blend. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon you'll pay just $1. And then we received this 1 off 1 for the Nature's Bounty vitamins. Those start out at $6, so after the coupon, you'll pay $5. Alright, guys, I think that is it for the new Dollar General digital coupons for this week. And also, just a friendly reminder, we do have new printable coupons today as well. So go and check those out. I always go through inboxdollars.com. You can either go through the website or the app. But you're going to click on coupons. It's going to take you to the coupons.com website to print off your coupons. So you're getting the same exact coupons, only Inbox Dollars actually pays you to print those coupons off. And then when you use them in the store, you're going to get an extra 10 cents back. And if you download their app, they have other ways that you can save money on there as well, like rebates and also scanning items in the store to earn money. So definitely go and check them out. There is a $5 sign-up bonus whenever you use my referral link. That is down in the description box below. And again, you can sign up through the website or you can download the app, either way you want to go. But definitely go and check it out, and don't forget to print off your coupons today. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and be on the lookout for that good deals and glitch list video. That will be up next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.